Let's make red Thai curry. Pour coconut milk in a pan, add the red Thai curry paste, garlic and mix well. Fry till oil separates. You can also use oil for this recipe, but I love to use coconut milk. Pour the remaining coconut milk and lemongrass extract. I have boiled the lemongrass and filtered the water, and I have used in this recipe. And add all the vegetables: onions, carrot, capsicum, bell peppers, broccoli, zucchini, tofu. Add soya sauce, fish sauce, bamboo shoots, sugar and salt, Thai basil leaf, cover and cook till the vegetables are cooked. Cover and cook for a few minutes till the gravy is thick, and lastly add powdered peanuts, garnish with basil leaf and enjoy with rice.